The talk on the street, the Bear Brigade is regrouping this Friday the 13th, raising fears of a deeper slide at Dalal Street. Iran's new supreme leader said the Strait of Hormuz should remain closed as a tool to pressure the enemy, while escalating regional attacks further disrupted shipping and tightened global supply. Our call of the day: Nifty bears may tighten their grip if WTI crude oil surges above the $100 per barrel mark. The 5 key sentiment dampener. 1. Rupee weakness against USD continues to be on front pages as it weakens near 92.28 USD. 2. Relentless FII selling. FY26 outflows have swollen to 2,48,444 crore rupees. 3. Inflation likely picked up, making RBI's and Fed's job harder. 4. The conflict with Iran shows no signs of easing. Reports suggests that the Strait of Hormuz could take weeks, even months, to reopen. 5. Technically speaking, the Nifty 50 is trading well below its 200, 100, 50 and 21-day moving averages, indicating a weak near-term trend. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In yesterday's bearish session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 7050 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 7450 crores. Sentiments are likely to stay bearish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals indicate massive breakdown play. Fano March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has again spiked towards 21.52 levels. At last check, USD INR, March, had shot higher towards 92.28 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th March, is at 1.09 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th February, is at 0.78. Nifty outlook: brace for volatility, volatility and volatility. Caution should be the buzzword as when crude oil spikes again, macro risks shall multiply. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23639. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 23,350 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,850 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23350 and 23750. Bias for the day is negative. Sensex, CMP 76034. Biggest support for Sensex is placed only at 74,501 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 77,500 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 74,500 to 76,500. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 55101. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 53,561 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 55,700 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,500 and 55500. Bias for the day is negative. Stock market news. Market mood. Bears are likely to remain in command as talk on the street suggests oil prices could surge toward $150, a level that could push the US and other major economies into recession. Inflation worries, stoked by surging oil prices, aren't the only thing troubling Nifty bulls. It's also the panic selling by the FII's camp. Please note, FII selling, already around 46,167 crore rupees in March, continue to rattle bulls in the Nifty 50. Additional headwind, sentiment has also taken a knock after the US government launched a probe into alleged unfair trade practices across 16 countries, including India, raising fears of renewed global tariff pressures. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Eternal Zomato, minus 1.18%, 221 rupees. Shares of Eternal, the parent company of Zomato, declined amidst worsening shortage of commercial LPG cylinders raised concerns about disruptions in restaurant operations. The weakness follows reports that the LPG shortage could force some restaurants and eateries to temporarily shut operations or reduce menu offerings if the situation continues. 2. Bucking the trend, power stocks such as NTPC, plus 2.85%, JSW Energy, plus 6.21%, CESC, plus 3.32%, and Power Grid, plus 1.6%, led gains, supported by expectations of a surge in electricity demand amid an unusually early summer. 3. KEC International, plus 2.34%, 560 rupees and 55 paise. KEC International bagged new orders worth 1,476 crore rupees in its transmission and distribution (T&D) segment. 4. Aarti Industries, AIL, plus 3.73%, 446 rupees. Aarti Industries, ALE, rallied 3.47% after the company has entered into a multi-year supply agreement with a top global agrochemical innovator for a critical agrochemical intermediate used in crop protection formulations. The agreement, valid through 31st March 2030, significantly increases volumes over the current annual engagement and is expected to generate revenue of approximately $150 million over the contract period, enhancing ALE's revenue visibility in the medium to long term.